Hi everybody, it's Larry. Welcome to our auction of our 2002 Lincoln Blackwood. This will be my cold start video, and thought I would do a little tech session, show you some of the electronics. So she's been sitting out here outside. I did start it earlier this morning, about 6 a.m. It's whatever time now, 1 o'clock ish I guess, and it's about as cold as you could be. You see the engine, nice and clean. We'll come around, I'll hop in. Really sunny day today here in northeastern PA. Okay, and she should fire right up. Close the door. She proves out correctly. All the prove out lights went out. And I'll get in there to the temperature gauge if I can, so you can see that we started her cold. 73,000 miles. This was a one owner car prior to my getting it. I'm gonna come outside while it's still cold so you can listen to the engine. Sounds the way it should. Obviously the 5.4, great engine. You can hear the compressor kicking on. I don't think you can see it, but it's down on the bottom, right down there. But there it is. There it is. So that kicked on correctly the way it did. I'll swing around real quick to the exhaust. A nice mellow little sound to it. There's the Blackwood sides. What a cool truck, right? Right, isn't that cool? And I think what we'll do now is give you another listen. Nice and quiet. I'll come into the